Matt, how about at Department of State? Give us an example of a program or a capability that you'd like to highlight for the community.
Yeah, happy to. I'll highlight that our AI inventory is on the State Department website, so you can see a number of different
Nice.
use cases from a range of bureaus at the department. I'll tell you the best part of working at the State Department is the diversity of mission. I met with the Special Envoy for Food Security a few weeks ago about data and analytics. I mean, who knew that we had a Special Envoy for Food Security? But it turns out critical, important mission, right? And
Super
so
important.
yeah, and so I also want to point out there's kind of a dual mission when it comes to AI at the State Department, right? AI itself is a foreign policy issue, and then of course the use of AI internal to the
Mm,
department. And
mm.
AI is a foreign policy issue. We engage internationally on emerging tech issues. The department has created a Bureau of Cyberspace and Digital Policy earlier this year to focus on that. And so that's a really important piece. My shop focuses on implementation within the department, and to give you an example, in that area would be cables analytics. The work of diplomacy is mainly carried out through language, right? In-person discussions,
Mm-hmm.
handshakes, right, and through written communication around the world. And so as other panelists mentioned earlier, much of the department's data is unstructured. And so we have a number of NLP, natural language processing projects that are underway to automate the review and analysis of this kind of data, to provide insights to diplomats around the world. We have a challenge that's shared by a lot of us. We have colleagues who sift through an abundance of communication data, and so the more that we can accentuate the information that's most important for our coworkers' missions, the more effective and efficient we can be at administering foreign policy for the U.S.